I have the snap ring assembly out, the spring assembly is out, and all the clutches are out. And this is the piston inside the drum right here, this aluminum section. So I'm going to try and remove it. Well, I tried a few minutes ago, and it's a little stuck in the housing. Sometimes they do that, and it requires a little bit of finesse to get them out. Usually you flip the drum over and tap it on the bench, and the piston comes right out. So I'm going to give that a try.
Alright, let's try tapping this a little bit and see what happens. Sometimes they're a little hard to get out. Sometimes they can be a little stubborn. So you gotta try not to lose your cool and just give it a little bit harder tap and be patient. So we're gonna give it a little harder tap. See if we can get this thing out. It's not wanting to cooperate, so I'm going to have to bring out the big guns and tap the back of it and see if I can get it out by tapping on the back of the drum. So let's give it a shot. Now, I got something for it. We'll get a running start at it. That usually works.